Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing interrupts the sync. Make sure you're signed into the Steam client and it's updated. Steam updates include cloud fixes. Once done, check the target game's store page or its properties page to verify Steam Cloud support and note any per-save limits. Next, open Steam settings and navigate to Cloud. You'll enable the global toggle there. This begins the process. Keep your internet active and avoid quitting while settings apply. Once Global Cloud is enabled, you need to set each game individually. Right-click the game in your library, choose Properties, then under General enable Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud. Make sure the game isn't set to use a custom local path outside Steam's expected folders. If it is, move or link files into the game's standard save folder. Also, make sure Steam has permission to write to that folder. On Windows, run as admin if necessary. This ensures consistent upload and download behavior. To complete setup, launch the game once so Steam detects and uploads your local save, then exit cleanly to let the sync finish. Once done, check the library or Steam Tray Cloud indicators to confirm upload timestamps. If Steam reports a conflict, inspect both timestamps, backup local saves, then choose the correct version, typically the newest, or force upload. If problems persist, restart Steam, verify disk permissions, and temporarily disable antivirus that may block files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.